Hey everyone, this is Steve from WebAiry. Today I am going to show you how to verify VPS RAM, disk space and network connectivity. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into your VPS. Once you are logged in, then you have to go to the File Manager. Right-click on this PC and go to Properties. The installed memory is clearly visible, which is 4 GB. In my case, and the processor which I'm using is also listed. Also, you can check the Windows version which is installed on your VPS, so this is how you can verify it. Secondly, you can also verify the disk space on VPS. Go to the File Manager again and check C drive. The 19.6 GB is free right now out of 34.6. Which means I have around 40 GB disk space on my VPS. Now let's check the network connectivity. Right-click on Network icon, open Network and Sharing Center. Click on Ethernet. Here it is showing the network connectivity speed, which is 1 GB in my case. Keep that in mind. That it is just Ethernet speed, not internet speed. The duration shows this VPS is up and running from number of days or hours. This VPS is running from 3 days. It is recommended that you can restart the VPS every 30-40 days. Just to make sure all caches are clear and everything back to normal. If you don't do this, you might feel some slow response on VPS. I hope you like this video. Feel free to ask your question in the comments section. Keep sharing. Thank you.